Hi guys, so we are back with yet another healthy omelette sandwich recipe. It is a complete breakfast recipe packed with essential macronutrients. So let's begin with step 1. So for an omelette sandwich, we are using 3 whole eggs. Add in finely chopped onion, capsicum, tomato, salt, pepper, and loads of oregano. Whisk it very well and keep aside. Step 2. Butter a pan and grill the chicken salami on both sides. Step 3 would be bringing everything together. Pour the eggs on the pan and coat 2 bread slices on both sides. Now let them cook for a couple of minutes. Once the egg is cooked from one side, flip it carefully. Step 4 is to add in more protein and fats to your omelette sandwich, which will make it more tasty. Place the salami and fold the edges of the omelette. Place a slice of cheese and stack the bread on top. Let it cook on both the sides for another minute. And there you have it. Your super easy and complete breakfast is ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious omelette sandwich with a side of sausages, coffee, or your favorite juice. Do give this recipe a try. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.